Hi. My name is Anina and I'm the CEO of 360 Fashion Network. I'm here today to bring you the latest fashion tech news that you need to know. Before we start, if you want to receive this news roundup regularly, then hit that like button and smash that follow, as we will be bringing you this new every week to keep you in the know of the top stories we think are important. Alright, first up, CES 2022, Mind Control. French startup Wiser is working on technology that detects the signals that zip between the brain and certain muscles, in order to use them to operate connected devices. The team has paired the system with earphones that can recognize the movements of their user's jaw. The user can pause the music playing on their cell phone and then restart it by moving their jaw in chewing-like motions. They will be able to integrate it into headphones but also augmented reality glasses, allowing users to control the display without taking out their smartphone. News source, CNA, in e-commerce tech, 12 more winners entered the Unicorn Club this past year, including cashierless checkout startup Standard, $1 billion valuation, automated micro-fulfillment center company Fabric, $1 billion valuation, and online checkout solution Bolt, $6 billion valuation. News source, Retail Tech 100, Square to rebrand as Block this month. Square said the new name would better represent the firm's various businesses. Some have pointed out it also reflects the company's blockchain-related ambitions. The announcement comes days after CEO Jack Dorsey stepped down from his role as Twitter CEO. Block's ticker symbol will remain Square. News source, Wall Street Journal. Gap bought demand analytics firm Context-Based Forecasting Limited, CB4, a New York and Tel Aviv-based startup that uses cutting-edge AI and machine learning tools to transform retail operations, increase sales and improve the customer experience through predictive analytics and demand sensing. Since moving to the cloud in October 2020, Gap Incorporated has increased investments in technology to enable growth and innovation that can impact its entire portfolio of brands. Earlier this year, the Strategic Growth Office led Gap Incorporated's acquisition of Draper, an e-commerce startup that powers 3D fit technology and virtual fitting rooms to reduce online returns, and also participated in the latest funding round for Obey Fitness, a digital fitness platform that partners with Gap Incorporated's Athleta brand to bring entertainment, pop culture and design to fitness. As part of the acquisition, CB4's team will join Gap Incorporated as full-time employees. News source, Business Wire, jewelry maker Pandora's CEO Alexander Lasik says the company won't sell its products on e-commerce platforms such as Amazon. News source, Reuters, and that's it for today. If you want to get the full top 10 fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast 360 Fashion or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode.